Hello my beautiful people, and welcome to Fun in the Kitchen with April. And today I'm going to show you how to make fried pasta. Okay, so for our fried pasta, what we're going to need is, I'm using thin spaghetti, but the recipe really calls for angel hair. I couldn't find any angel hair, so I have thin spaghetti. And you want it to be really leftover spaghetti because it needs to be cool for us to make our mixture. And you want to use a pound. I'm using less than a pound. I didn't want to do a whole bunch, so I kind of cut the recipe in half. So again, your thin spaghetti. Then I did a half cup of tomato sauce. So if you were doing a pound, it would be a pound of spaghetti, it would be 1 whole cup of tomato sauce. Then I have 1 egg back here, but if we were doing a pound, you were going to need 2 eggs. I have 1 cup of ricotta cheese. You would need 2 cups for a pound. And I also have a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. I didn't cut this in half because I like cheese. So I'm doing a half cup of Parmesan cheese and a half cup of Italian style breadcrumbs. And again, this would also be 1 cup for a pound of noodles. Okay, and then I just have a tablespoon of chopped parsley. Okay. And I'm going to put a little bit of seasoning in there, a little onion powder, garlic powder, and again, the seasoning salt. Okay, so let's get started with everything. So we are going to go ahead and just sprinkle a little seasoning onto our noodles. That should be good. We're going to do the garlic, and I'm just sprinkling a little bit of onion powder. That should be good. Okay, I'm gonna dump my egg in here. I'm going to put my ricotta cheese in here. You're just putting everything in your pasta. Breadcrumbs, parsley, because we're going to mix this all up. Our Parmesan cheese and our tomato sauce. Okay, so that's all we're doing. Let me make sure I have all that sauce out of there. Okay, so that's all we're doing. And I am going to mix this up with my hand, because I feel like I can really get things mixed really well when I do it with my hands. Your hands are a good utensil. Just have to make sure that they're clean, you know. And my spaghetti noodles are cold because I had cooked them a couple of days ago, and I just hadn't had a chance to do this video for you guys. I've been trying, but I have a lot going on right now. So, but I said, let me go ahead and get this video out to you all. I think this is a great recipe. I think it's going to be tasty. And you see how it's starting to thicken up? That's what we want, because we're going to form these into round balls. And then we're going to fry it up. So we want our spaghetti to become thick and kind of sticky like. Okay? And again, I didn't use a pound of spaghetti. I only used a little bit. So I did cut the recipe in half. And look how nice that's sticking together. That's what you want. You want this to stick together, because we're going to make those nice round balls. Okay? There we go. I think I got it nice and together there. There we go. Okay, give me a minute because I need to set up to put this in the deep fryer. And it's not going to take long to fry. Okay? Alright. Okay, we are back and my fryer is ready. And I am pulling apart this spaghetti and I'm forming it into a ball. Just like that. One big ball. Just like that. And you're going to put it in there. Because that's what you want. You just want big balls. Just like that. And I'm getting another one. This one is quite big. I did this one really big. But that's okay. And we're going to put this in here. And you hear the sizzle. And I'm going to make a couple of more and put them in this fryer. And that's all we're doing is making balls just like that. Now you could use an ice cream scooper if you'd like, or you know, a melon baller, but that'll give you small balls. But you could do that too. It's no right or wrong way to do it. And if you feel like you need a little bit more breadcrumbs in here, put more breadcrumbs in here, you know? That's all. It's up to you. You want a little more seasoning? Put some more seasoning in there. This is your dish. You are making it, and it's to your taste. So I'm gonna make this last ball, and I think I have enough room in there. Make this last ball. Make sure I get everything in here. And I'm going to drop that in there. Let me wash my hands right quick so I can drop the rest into our grease. And we're going to let that fry. So we're just going to drop that in there just like that and let that fry. I'll be right back. And here are your spaghetti balls, and they're paired with some nice spaghetti sauce. And they're nice and crispy. You see that? Nice and crispy. Let's taste a little bit. That's good. That's really good. You need to make this. So, as always, like, comment, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you know the next time I have a great recipe coming for you. Bye.